2.
Hello, Faye. Hi, this is Tony Finley here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, 1 mile north of the gallery on Highway 31. Hey, Faye, you inquired about this Lakeside Blue 2019 Sonata. Hey, I want to tell you a little bit about it. As you can see, it's a beautiful car. Hey, great aggressive lines here. You do have the LED daytime running lights here. Headlights are here. They'll have the symbol here with the Hyundai in it with the honeycomb grille. This is a 2.4 liter with 185 horsepower. It is front wheel drive. Comes standard with aluminum alloy wheels here, flashers on the outside. Now this is going to be what we call an SEL, so it has a proximity key that you never have to take out your purse or your pocket. This is a 5-passenger Lakeside Blue with gray interior. Let's take a look on the inside. Sonatas are very roomy cars, plenty of cup holders. This is cloth interior, what we call Yesy Central fabric. Cruise control, smart cruise, stereo control, Bluetooth capability, automatic headlights, and your intermittent wipers are here. This vehicle is equipped with the heated seats, heated steering wheel, Android and Apple Play capability, backup camera, air conditioning, heating control. It is an automatic with the Shiftronic transmission, so it has basically 2 personality. Power seat on the driver's side. Now it comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Here at Tameron, we double that to 20 years, 200,000 miles, no cost and no strings attached. A 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. Sonatas get outstanding gas mileage. 33 on the highway, 25 in the city, combined city and highway of 28, and it's 5-star crash rating, so it's a very safe vehicle. My name is Tony Finley. Please call me to set up an appointment to come in and test drive this beautiful vehicle, the one you selected by the stock number. You can reach me at 205-380-6250 or hit me on my personal cell at 205-335-3988. Tony Finley at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, and 1 mile north of the gallery on Highway 31.